Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to crimp Ethernet cable and also unboxing this new device to detect if the Ethernet cable is working. This is Ethernet cable tester. So I will show you how to unbox and how to probe this, and also how to make Ethernet cable for your computer, laptop, and any network device. Okay, let's just get it on. This is remote cable tester. We will unbox. Okay, for that I will show you this. This is remote cable tester. This is the bag, the pocket bag. Number. Okay, let's see. Here we go. This is to check the Ethernet. This is Ethernet port. Okay, we can remove this. This is the remote. This is the remote, and this is the control. Okay, now this port is for Ethernet, this port is for telephone, and this port is for USB or HDMI and USB connectors. This is for the cut cable. Okay, we will check. No battery, so we will put a battery now. 9 volts 9 volts DC or direct current. Okay, now the device have power. Okay, so as I've said, this is remote cable tester. Okay, okay, so if I make test, you will see. If I make test, no connection, it means this remote, this control device is looking the other one, the remote one. Okay, so we will try to use data cable. Okay, this is category 5 cable. This is fabricated. Okay, meaning this one is made in factory. Okay, you can buy this in the store. Okay, so to be able to check if this cable is working. Okay, if this cable don't have a fault wire, because this cable have 8 wires. Okay, so we need to test if this cable is perfectly well, or in Tagalog is walang putol na wire. Okay, so we will connect this in cut port. Okay, so you see. Okay, I connect in cut port. Okay, and we will connect also here. Okay, now both port, both device are connected. Okay, you see both device are connected, and this is this device is very good to 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 prove if the cable is not broken, even uh, let us say 300 meters to 500 meters Ethernet cable. Okay, cat 6 or cat 5, it's work. So to prove, okay, that this device first, this is the remote Ethernet, okay, tester, if working, we need to test in short cable. Okay, let's do it. Okay, connected to the remote and connected to the control. Okay, if you press the control, it's supposed to be uh, connected. Let's do it. You see all the lights means the eight wires. I will do it again. You see the connected, and the 8 lights are blinking or lighted up. The 8 lights are lighted up means this cable is good and this device is working very good. Okay, this is very nice to use, especially you have many computer in your house using in your YouTube studio, or you have a network inside your house that connected in computer, CCTV camera, access door. Okay, this is very helpful. You can buy this device, and it's very easy to use to fix your network. Okay, I will do it again. It's connected and it's work. Okay guys, now I will show you how to make, if this, for example, if this is broken, you can cut this part or you can cut this part, okay, and fix it. I will show you how to make Ethernet cable for your computer. Okay guys, this is cut A category cut A Ethernet cable. Okay, I will show you how to crimp RJ45 in this cable. Okay, both both tip of the cable we need to put RJ45. This is RJ45. Okay, this is RJ45 shielded type, and we will use also jacket. This is RJ45 jacket. Okay, so we will use 2 jacket and 2 RJ45. This is and this is. Let's get it on. We need cutter, we need crimper. Okay, so the crimper guys, this crimper, I don't know the brand of this crimper, but this crimper have already cutter here. Be careful, this is cutter, you see. Okay, you can use this to remove the cover of your cat 5 or cat 6 Ethernet cable. I will show you. See? Okay, and the something that you did is don't press so hard, just a little bit and roll the cable. Okay, then you can pull it. You see, very easy. And then you need to separate the pairs. I will show you that this Ethernet cable either cat 5 or cat 6, okay, contains four pairs of wire, and each pair have a role in your network. Okay, this is very helpful for you guys in the house. If you have many computers and you are connected in the airport, you don't need to call engineer or network engineer or telecom engineer. Okay, now you have all the wires out. Okay, so I will show you how to connect it. Okay, but first, before we cut, we need to insert the jacket here. Insert the jacket before we put the RJ45. Now the jacket is inserted. Now we will need to arrange the cable. Okay, listen. This each cable have numbers. Okay, the white orange is 1, the orange is 2, the green, the white green is 3, the blue is 4, the white blue is 5, the green is 6, the white brown is 7, and brown is 8. Okay, I repeat. Okay, I will repeat. White orange is 1, orange 2, white green is 3, blue is 4, white blue is 5, green is 6, white brown is 7, and brown is 8. Okay, it's clear. Then we will cut it. We will cut it after arrange, and we will insert into RJ45. Before you insert, be sure you check the arrangement of the wires. Sometimes it will be changed because of our hand movings. Okay, push it up. Okay, be careful when you are pushing the wire, because this wire is very sensitive. Okay, now once you inserted, okay, you will put this inside the crimper. This, you will put this, look, here. Then crimp it. You need to crimp properly so that the wire will be held inside. Then insert into the jacket. Look. Okay, now we will do to another side. The other side doesn't have. Okay, I will repeat. We will use this to remove the plastic cover or plastic jacket of the wire. Okay, twist it. Take note, don't press a lot, just give a little bit press, then remove the plastic cover or the plastic jacket. Cut this one. Okay, pull a little. Okay, separate the wires. Okay, these 4 wires, why we need to separate? Because to arrange the combination in the combination when you insert in RJ45, there is two kinds or two types of wire arrangement, the A and B. Just to change the secret is you just arrange the settings, the green and blue. So if you want to choose A, the tree is uh, white green and the 6 is green. So if you change it to B, you will use white blue as 3 and blue is 6. So the green will be 4 and 5. Okay, here we go. As I've said, and I will repeat again. Okay, orange, white orange 1, orange 2, green, white green 3, blue 4, white blue 5, green 6, okay, white brown 7 and brown is 8. Okay, here we go. You see guys, white brown, brown, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown and brown. Okay, don't forget to insert the jacket before you cut the cable or before you insert into RJ45. Okay, then if everything is okay, your combination is okay, the arrangement of the wires okay, you can cut it with a cutter and insert into RJ45. Okay, here we go. The creeper, press, okay, and insert into the jacket. Now you have the two tip installed. Okay, you have two RJ45 in each tip. Okay, let's go back to the remote. Imagine this one is located 100 meters to 300 meters away from this one. So you need to remote the cable to probe if here we go. We already inserted the RJ45 and now we are going to test. Just imagine that this one is far from you and this is the one that you will bring it. Okay, so I will show you when we test the cable, if the cable is work or not, or the cable is good or bad. Okay, take a quick look, or take a quick view of the test chart. When we run the test, it means the wire is good and the device is connected. See, all the lights, the 8 lights are working. Okay, this one is ground. Okay, so since we don't have ground, we have only 8 lights. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 lights. That means the 8 wires are very good. Okay guys, see you later.